Our Monday afternoon started off with a lot of sunshine around the coastal empire and the low country. We have a little bit of cloud cover in the picture now, so now conditions are beginning to cool off a bit, but we did make it well into the triple digits for many locations around the region, actually making it to 104 degrees for Baxley, 100 for Pembroke, Hinesville, Glenville, Savannah, and Rincon. Savannah's 100-degree reading for today. It's the first time we made it to 100 officially in the city since June of 2022. Right now, cooling off to 96 degrees, but still holding on to 100 for Glenville and Baxley. When you factor in the humidity, all locations are feeling hotter right now with heat index values in excess of 110 degrees for several spots. 106 is how it feels out the door in Savannah, but 119 right now for Rincon. So definitely stay cool and hydrated. You still want to limit some of that outdoor activity until temperatures really begin to cool off as we head into the evening hours. An extreme heat warning remains in place for the counties highlighted in pink until 8 o'clock. So that includes the low country and coastal Georgia. The heat advisory inland is in place for today, but will extend into the day tomorrow because those heat index values will be a concern for us once again. If you're lucky, a couple stray showers will move through your area, but don't count on that. Most of it has been pretty isolated out to the west into northern Montgomery County, but we are seeing more of that developing off to the north, making its way from north to south, moving into places like Toombs County and in Jasper County. We did have a cell that blossomed up north of Ridgeland, moving inland, starting to weaken now as it does move along 278. So a few downpours are possible for a few isolated spots, but rain will become a little bit more widespread through the day tomorrow. Starting off very warm and humid, temperatures in the mid 80s already by 9 o'clock in the morning, 94 by lunchtime with a mix of sun and clouds, and then scattered showers and storms will begin to set up as we get to the mid to the later afternoon hours. And even with that, temperatures will still reach the mid to upper 90s for most of us, with heat index values likely over 110 degrees for us at times. That trend continues for a few more days. Low-end rain chances will be in the forecast for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but a frontal boundary moves in for the weekend, and that will bring us some higher rain chances for us once again, and also slightly cooler conditions. Those heat index values won't be much of a concern as we head into next Sunday and Monday. By then, our actual air temperatures will be in the upper 80s. So it's been hot and humid for today. Same thing for tomorrow. Storms become a little bit more likely with the trough of low pressure that has been developing over the southeast. So we will also have some clouds around. So for that reason, it looks like for some of us, temperatures will be a few degrees cooler than what we had for today. But that frontal boundary that we are watching for late in the week is already organizing in the upper plains states, and that will be moving into the southeast as the week goes on. With some moisture from the Gulf, it will help to enhance those rain chances, especially for next weekend. For tonight, 79 for the low temperature, staying warm and humid. And then for tomorrow, hot and humid with those afternoon showers and storms developing. Most of us will make it into the upper 90s for highs. Forecast high, though, for Baxley, 100 degrees once again. For the boaters, we'll have a light wind, a light breeze out of the south, 5 to 10 knots, giving us seas right at 2 feet. That water temperature hovering at 88 degrees, so almost like bath water out there, but still be a good spot to cool off if you do have the chance to head out to the coast for tomorrow. Definitely keep an eye on the sky, though, for the next few afternoons, with those thunderstorm chances becoming a little bit more likely, especially for tomorrow, and then again into next week with those temperatures for Saturday, Ben, back to normal, and then cooler than average for Sunday and Monday.
I think some people are putting ice into their pools.
Just to cool it down
just a little bit, because it is like bath water, right? Thank you.